guys, thank you for returning back to my channel. You've come back to Charismatic Glam with me, Charisma, and I thank you guys for watching. So, I've been telling y'all for a little bit that I have some hair that I think is it. So, I figured today's a good day to tell you guys about the hair. So currently, I'm wearing it on my head right now. I have to tell you guys because you guys are loving my Beauty Grace review that I did on in the summertime of last year on that Beauty Grace unit that I purchased from Amazon. So I figured, you know what? Let's go on Amazon and let's look for another unit. So I love hair. I don't really do my hair. I keep my hair braided underneath all my wigs that I wear. So I figured this would be a great time to bring you guys some more units. So I actually have a review of another 3 more wigs. Yeah, you've heard right. I purchased 4 wigs altogether. This is 1, and I have 3 more wigs. So you're gonna get 3 more reviews to 3 more, closure wigs rather, not really just hair. They will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But enough about all that other hair. I want to tell you guys about this. I purchased this unit here on Amazon, and I think I paid $107. Don't quote me right now, because y'all know I'm really just going off the head. So this hair is from Amella Hair Company on Amazon. I'm going to put the hair information, the description. I could not find the packaging right now, but I am going to post the screenshot of the hair and the vendor and everything like that, so that way if you are interested in it, you can go online too and go purchase this unit. So this hair is 22 inches. Let me part it. You can't really see the length of the hair per se right now, but it is 22-inch hair. So it actually stops pretty long on me. But keep in mind, this is curly hair. So anytime you purchase a curly hair unit, curly hair bundles, any type of curly hair, it's not going to look exactly as 22 inches is to look. So you may take it out the package and be like, hold the hell up. This is 20 inches. This is 18 inches. Stretch it out. That's my advice to anybody. Stretch it out so that way you can see its full and true length. So this is 22-inch hair. And the one thing that I noticed about this particular unit automatically is, and I know y'all catch it too, when you buy hair on Amazon, sometimes they tell you that it's 22-inch hair and the back is 22 inches while the front be 16. Come on now, like, give us our money's worth. We're not playing with y'all.
Come on, son.
Y'all want us to purchase your hair and keep purchasing hair. Give us what our coin is paying for. Stop giving us 22 inches in the back and giving us 14 in the front. We don't want that. We don't want that. Y'all keep that, Amazon. Y'all keep that, AliExpress companies. This unit really shocked me. It's really curly. I normally wet my hair before I go to work. Wet it down, add mousse. I use Tresemme mousse, volumized curly, I believe is the name of it. And I use this like a curly gel. I know some people use the, Curl Boss? I don't remember the company that makes that. I haven't got it, but I have seen it in Walmart. But I decided to use Big Papa. Yeah, I know it's mad random, but it's called Big Papa hair gel, and it definitely works really well with curly hair. So if you guys see that Big Papa line, I'm assuming that it's like inspired by Notorious B.I.G. If you're from Brooklyn, you already know. But I think that it's inspired by him. Maybe they just took the name. So it really works well with curly hair. I love the way it works. This isn't a review on that right now, but if y'all can find it in Walmart, please get it. It works really well with curly hair. It's top tier for me. But this unit hasn't been wet in like 2 days. So look at the curls, y'all. Look at the curls. I have done absolutely nothing but pop this sucker on and getting ready to go out the door. Look at it. It's not, I don't want to comb through it because then it's going to start to get bushy. But look, I love the way this hair looks. Look at it. Ain't did a thing to it, y'all, in 2 days. 2 days. These are 2-day-old dry ass curls. 2 days. When I tell you I'm going to order another unit, I'm ordering another unit. I don't think I mentioned yet, this is a 4x4 closure. So I didn't glue it down just yet, but you can glue it down. So as you can see, these are my edges right here, you know, all natural and whatnot. We ain't even fixed that, but act like y'all ain't see it. It basically stops from temple to temple. I hope yeah, these are my temples, I'm assuming. From temple to temple. I did bleach my parts. I bleached my knots, not my parts. So I bleached my knots, and I also added a little bit of concealer to it as well. But this is how it looks. I'm not sure if I cut off too much of the lace, because this right here does come, you know, with lace. And if you're a beginner and, you know, you need beginner-friendly wigs, when they don't give you that much lace sometimes, it does affect how you know, do your cutting. But this wasn't too bad. I'm not a fan of baby hair, so that's another thing. You guys will never really see those big, you know, long baby hairs that stop at your eyebrows over here. You just won't see that on this channel. I really like this hair. This hair, I will say, is one of those curls that I think when you use the gel and the mousse and water, and then kind of just let it do its own little air dry, and then spray a little sheen on it to give it that glossy look, which I have been doing as well. I think that it gives that nice look of the wet look that people are sometimes going for, and it's not wet. I really like this hair. I am going to order another unit. With this particular company, in this particular hair, it's just a curly curl. I think 22 was the longest when I seen on the website. I'm going to look again and see if they offer anything longer, because I need one more unit, but I do want like a 24, 26. So again, this is a 22-inch curly from the brand Amella, and I purchased this on Amazon. It was like $107. Yeah, and I did 2-day shipping on Amazon as well, so it came really quick. 2 days it took for it to come really quick. Did not possess a smell, because I know that's another thing that some people say when they purchase hair on Amazon. Certain companies, the hair smell like fish, or it smells like, you know, corn chips when it comes. This one did not possess a smell. Now for what I did not like about the hair. What I did not like about the hair, my one and only con, was when I took it out of the package, popped it on, you know, did that quick like this, it did possess a little bit of shedding. But for me, I do, you know, I kind of let that slide a little bit, but it did not possess so much shedding where you got more hair, again, in a brush or a comb than you have in the wig. So right now, since I purchased the hair, I've had no shedding or anything like that. I haven't had that happen since I purchased the hair. But fresh out the box, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Yes, you will get a little bit of shedding. You will experience some shedding, and I'm going to assume that it is because of the way the wig is manufactured. So I also want to be able to show you guys the weft of the wig, which I think is something that you would need to know, so that way you know what to expect, and maybe then you can kind of understand why you might get a little bit of shedding. So hold on, and I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the wig off my head, and like I said, I did bleach the knots. I also put a little bit of concealer in this. Yeah, I put a little bit of concealer. I did at one point have it laid down. Because I'm in a rush, I'm really not about to do all that laying down and whatnot, because I don't have to. You guys really, most of the time, most people can't tell that I haven't laid this wig down. But this is the parting space. So it has like a 4-inch parting space on this wig. And what I wanted to show you guys about the wefts, so that way you understand maybe why you're getting a little bit of the shedding, is because from what I have gathered, this is like track hair that they've sewed on to like a net. So most likely when you have like the track hair, they are cutting the wefts as they go through the bundles. So this is just to show you guys. Yeah, so just to show you guys a little bit about the wig. I have never seen anyone who really just shows you all of this when they do their reviews of the wig. And I think that this is so important, because when you guys are looking at your wigs and you're like, Dad, I don't have, it's shedding, it's shedding, it's shedding. You get a chance to see, and I'm about to put it back on. Listen, y'all know what it is. Y'all get a chance to see that the reason why sometimes you do have shedding is because maybe it's track hair. It's the way that they sold it on. It's the way the wefts are. And this, I do believe, is like some bundles that they got like a mesh cap and sewed it on until they got to the top, put the front two in, and then sewed that down too. So if they are cutting the track hair, then yeah, you would have some type of shedding. I hope that makes some sense. Y'all know what I mean, right? Right. So that is why I did have some shedding since taking it out of the package, and I've had this now for 3 weeks. So I feel like I could talk about this here because I had it for at least 3 weeks, been wearing it literally Monday through Friday, Sunday to Sunday. I've been wearing this. I've been wearing the hell out of this because I really, really like this curl, and I really like it. So I'm definitely going to make sure that I continue to tell you guys about wigs that I find that I think is inexpensive, pretty affordable, because we all know, like, if you doing things on a coin, hair is expensive. The look, you know, that we want to go for is expensive. So nobody wants to spend $300 and $400 on a nice little unit. So why not spend for this one? This one was only $107 with tax. I believe it was like maybe 109, 110-ish. But again, I will link it all in the description. Where you live, where I live, also might play a role in the taxes. So please don't quote me. It definitely was $107 though on Amazon. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that you may want to know, that you feel I left out, please, please, please let me know down in this description box. And please do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And put on the notification bell so that way y'all know when I put out a video. I do want to make sure that I'm more consistent. I'm getting out the content that you guys want to see. So if you are interested in seeing me do any more wig reviews, let me know. And thank you guys for tuning in. And I'll check you guys later in the next one. Bye.